Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to go in one-handed mode in Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. So here you can see this is the Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone in my hand. Okay, to go in one-handed mode, first you have to enable it. Okay, to enable it, first go to settings. Okay, now in settings scroll down and go to additional settings, and in additional settings here you can see one-handed mode. Here you can see one-handed mode. Simply tap on one-handed mode and tap here to enable it. Okay, now what you have to do is swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode, and swipe up to again go in full screen mode. You can see, just swipe down at the bottom of the screen to go in one-handed mode, or tap outside to again go in full screen mode. As you can see, simply swipe down to the bottom edge to go in one-handed mode like this, and swipe up to again go in full screen mode. You can see this is the really easy method to use one-handed mode in Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. So guys, this is the method to use one-handed mode in Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.